Here is a demonstration of two nozzles. The one on the left is a 0.2 millimeter nozzle, and the one on the right is a 0.3 millimeter nozzle. Right now they're running at 250 psi, and it's just a spit that's coming out of there right now. These are heavy springs, or springs that open up at kind of a maximum pressure of around 250 to 300 psi. I'm going to increase this pressure to around 450 psi. See the difference, and you'll notice they open up pretty quickly. So here we'll go up a little bit, tell you where we're at. You know, there we've just gone to about 270 psi, getting a little more. That is about 290, 300 psi. And that's about 315, 320, and that's when they start opening up pretty well. You can see that they're actually pulsating a little. You see a little bit of pulsation, and that's from the positive displacement pump kind of pulsating. It will quit after a little while once it gets up to a higher pressure, but 320 psi. There's 340, 350 psi. They start to work a little better. You know, they start to have more mist. My pump is ramping down because it's a variable frequency drive working with a bypass, so it's kind of the opposite of what you think as the pressure goes up. But 340, 350. Be nice if the wind dropped down a bit. There we go. We'll go up a little higher now. Here's about 370. They start making more noise too once they get up, but that's about 370, and they're putting out pretty well. And the distance to the ground is about 6 feet. So right now they are kind of actually reaching the ground as far as their mist, but most of it is evaporating before it gets there. Right now it's pretty high relative humidity outside, about 85 degrees at 60% relative. We'll go up a little higher. Again, this is 370. And now we're at about 420. You can see that the plume is, you know, widening out a little bit because of the increased pressure. Actually, the wind has kind of a neat effect to them when it goes by. Let's see if we can get it to calm down a little bit. But that's about as high as I'm going to go. So you get the idea. Let's see if we get up to about 500. And that's about 480. That's all my pump is geared to put out about right now. So that's a good enough demo for those two nozzles. Thank you very much.